Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and it's time to get the evening started right. Because if you haven't heard already, there's supposedly some debate going on tonight. Well, either way, it's time to run out of here and get ready for a long night into the Big Apple, because it's now 4 o'clock. The markets, they're closing. It's time to grab a red or blue drink at the bar. Why? Because it's a happy hour here in New York City. Now equities, they are in the red this Monday as market makers continue to keep a close eye on a key OPEC meeting and also while looking ahead to the first U.S. presidential debate this evening. Now the Dow Jones did fall more than 150 points before holding around 100 points lower throughout most of the trading session, with Goldman Sachs contributing the most to losses. Now polls between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump narrowing considerably in recent weeks. According to the latest NBC News Wall Street Journal poll released last week, Clinton held a 6-point lead over Donald Trump heading into this debate, but a Bloomberg poll released today showed that both candidates are deadlocked. In other words, this is going to be a good one. Now, the first of 3 debates will be held at Hofstra University right here in New York, Nassau County, Long Island to be more exact, and that's set to begin 9 p.m. Eastern. Also adding to moves is an OPEC meeting taking place in Algeria. Crude oil prices up today as several reports cited the Algerian energy minister saying all options are possible for an output cut or freeze. Now, investors also taking in shares of Deutsche Bank, which hit an all-time low after German Chancellor Angela Merkel said that she reportedly ruled out helping the bank with its U.S. legal troubles. And you team all of this with new home sales totaling 609,000, the U.S. dollar down 0.2% and a slight rise in gold, and you have yourself a session right now behind me where 9 stocks are on the upside for every 5 decliners. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the first trading session of a new week. And rather than talk about corporations, I'm going to end on a light note because we do have the debate coming up. It was a great sports weekend, although the New York Giants lost, the New York Jets lost. But after losing a heartbreaker on Saturday yesterday, the New York Mets, they end up winning with an amazing score of 17-0. That was their largest margin of victory and a shutout in team history. And guess what? I was there for both games, the heartbreak and that history-making day yesterday. In other words, just remember there's one more week left. Time to go out there and do it, boys. Let's get that wild card spot. And hey, a lot of people right now focused on this evening, 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern. And I will say this, I can't sign off without mentioning the passing of an all-time golf great, Arnold Palmer. May you rest in peace, sir. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.